They say that we're all in this together, but we're not. Working families and working people as a whole are suffering most, and increasingly so. We're having to go out there and work to keep our jobs, risking our health, and all for what? To keep the boss's economy going.
So many of us are in insecure work without any paid leave entitlements. If we don't go to work because we're sick, we might not just lose a bit of money, we might lose our jobs, we might not be able to pay rent, we might not be able to afford mortgages. This is the kind of anxiety that so many of us are living with.
The mounting death toll in private aged care homes tells us why privatisation is bad for workers and for patients. To boost profits, private providers skimped on staffing levels, training and pay and conditions for workers, with terrible consequences for residents and for workers. This tragedy hasn't been seen in the more regulated public system. That's why we oppose the privatisation of healthcare.
Young people are some of the hardest hit by the crisis. Out here in the West, in Maribyrnong, 1 in 4 young people are without a job. And that doesn't include all those young people who've given up looking. There's just not enough jobs, but still young people are vilified by the media and by politicians. Now the Liberals are slashing JobKeeper and JobSeeker. It's just going to mean more poverty.
A lot of migrants and international students were hyper-exploited in their jobs and milked for student fees. Now with the crisis, a lot of them have lost their jobs and they're getting zero government support. They've been chewed up by the system and they've been spat out. Now many of them are barely surviving off charity.
These are some of the reasons why we're standing as Victorian Socialist candidates for the Maribyrnong Council. We want to put an end to this destructive system that puts profits before people's lives.
My name is Jorge Andres Jorquera.
My name is Liz Walsh.
My name is Andrew Charles.
Victorian Socialists want to give people in the West a voice. Working families, migrants, the aged and young people. We want you to get involved. It's only by working together that we can make change.